Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna be chrome stripping my wheels on the M4. I can't wait. It's gonna look so sick, and I'm also gonna drop it. But in order for me to start on this, I gotta take it to the tire shop so I can remove my tires off these rims. And let's not take longer, because I still do need to get sandpaper to kind of sand out the wheels, and also need to polish them as well once I'm done, so they don't rust, they don't look bad. So let's not waste any time and let's go there. Putting these wheels inside that van right now so we can head there and try to work as fast as possible to get it done, because I can't wait. And now with all the tires are in the van, we gotta make sure we don't drive too crazy. I don't want them to drift around and maybe hit the side, because they are heavy, and I don't want them to damage anything inside the van where I'm not able to open the door. So we gotta drive it safe. I need to wash this car. Look, it's bad. So let's head to the tire shop and waste no time right now, because we're really limited, because as you see it's about to start raining and I don't want it to rain while I'm out. So we gotta go to AutoZone as well. We gotta grab a bunch of stuff, actually, sandpaper and plastic wrap, so I can cover them once I'm done. From what I know, it should take us around 24 hours until the whole thing is done and with the wheels are gonna be chrome. But right now we're gonna go take off the wheels of that, and you guys already know that. But there is a check engine light on this car, so ever since I came back from Nevada, like, that has been on, and it was really annoying. And now I'm still trying to figure out what is it. It doesn't seem like it's crazy, because I mean the car drives normally, the car does everything, so that's also good. But also it could be bad, because what if something is in there is going bad right now and I'm not sure. So I think I'm gonna run like a quick diagnostic at a place they do for free. One of my friends like own that place, so you know, they hooked me up with that. But let's hope nothing bad has really happened to the car. I really hope not, because it's gonna be expensive, because I already spent like $900 on this car so far, because the coolant system went bad literally the second day I bought this car, and that was not fun. I had to spend a lot of money out of pocket. And let's hope we be able to fix this. It might be like some maybe tires, brakes, whatever. I'm not sure with these old cars, but I definitely need to get that checked up ASAP. Yeah, so he just told me it's gonna be 50 for all 4 tires, which is a really good deal. I was not expecting that to be that good of a deal, and I was like, you know what, okay, I'm just gonna take it and let's just do it real quick. So I'm just trying to go home and trying to get everything done before it starts raining, because as you can see, the clouds just started to pull out. So let's do that, and we gotta go to AutoZone. We gotta do a trip to AutoZone after this. We got the first wheel off, and this looks absolutely crazy. Dude, 315s were on this. That's actually insane. But they're getting all the other ones right there. But so far we got one done. There's 3 others to go. There's one right there and one right here. And this was gonna look so crazy in chrome. I genuinely cannot wait. I got everything I want from AutoZone. I got rim cleaners, I got everything, but we're missing the most important part, which is the brush. They don't got brushes, so we're gonna go somewhere and grab brushes. But these tires smell so bad, like it's actually giving me a headache. So I gotta put the windows down, but we're gonna go to Walmart right now and grab us some brushes, and then we're gonna head home and start working on these rims. And I can't wait. They're gonna come out so good. And worst case, I just put them black again, you know, I just color them black, whatever. But yeah, let's do that real quick and let's see. We made it home to Nevada, because the stuff over there are highly illegal. We can't use them in California, so we're still in Nevada working on my wheels. So in order for me to start like putting everything on, I do gotta clean them up, because they're really dirty. Look. Yeah, they're so dirty. I got everything over there, and now I'm gonna get started on them. I'm gonna wash them real quick and get them all ready, get them all dry, and then we should start the process. But of course I'm not gonna leave them out here. I'm gonna do them inside the garage. But now they're fully clean. I still do gotta dry the inside, because the inside is pretty wet, because I might do the inside. I'm still not sure. I still gotta figure out every single thing. But so far we got trash bags to cover them, to trap in the air and humidity and everything, and then we should be all good to go. But this is the last time it's gonna be black. We got 3, and I'm gonna be working on them outside, because I did it in my garage. That's how I almost suffocated. But outside is so much better, because air is hitting you and everything. So let's get straight to it, and let me show you guys once all 4 is done. So it's the second day, and we got a lot of progress done on these wheels. But I think I might have to redo them again, like a second coat of the aircraft thingy. we're gonna go over it again. So far, look how crazy this looks. You can see the chrome already, but I need more, of course, because I need it to be fully chrome. So in order for me to do that, I need to put another layer of that thing all over my wheels, using a different brush, because the brush right there, I don't think it's doing its job correctly. So we're gonna be going with this brush right here. It's small, so it's gonna take us longer, but we'll also be able to get every single spot on the wheel, which is also good because I think I've missed multiple spots on the wheel. So this would help me out, kind of go over the small spots that I missed and then redo the whole wheel again. And I think we're gonna have to do it twice anyways. I mean, I've seen videos people redoing it twice, but this stuff is hard, and we're in Nevada right now. It's really cold outside. It's 8 p.m. and I'm gonna show you guys how they look now. I looked at them. I did re-clear coat this one and kind of scraped off a little bit of the black paint, but I think what I might do now, redo all of them again right now, just for tomorrow morning. It'll be all good. So that's what I'm planning on doing. So right now it's the 4th day and the wheels are still covered from the 3rd day, which is yesterday, and I'm gonna see what have we accomplished so far. So these back two right here are the ones that took us the longest. I don't know why. I don't know what type of coat they used on them, but they were no good. They weren't doing anything. So I think what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna show you guys these wheels that were actually taken off, and you can actually see the chrome through them, and I'm excited to see them. I know they're not gonna be completely done, but you'll see the paint, it's gonna chip off. But let me unwrap that for you guys and let me show you guys real quick what have we got done so far. I'm gonna be putting on this mask because I know these have a lot of fumes in them, and I'm not trying to almost pass out like the other day. So let's put that on real quick and let me show you guys the big reveal that we got for these. I'm so excited. So my voice is gonna be really muffled for this one. I got the mask on. It's hard to breathe in it, but let's not waste time and let me show you guys how it looks. So, oh wait, there's a lot of progress done. Like, you can see some actual chrome. You can see the paint chipping off from the side. And now we're gonna switch to the back one that was cooked. So let's open that real quick. So we got the back one right here, and let me show you guys. You see, I don't understand what's wrong with this one, especially this one and this one, which are the front two tires. I'm not sure what's going on, but the paint is not chipping off. I don't even know what I want to do at this point. I'm kind of lost. So if you guys have an idea, like, what should I do to make the paint go away, I want you guys to let me know ASAP. But for now, I'm gonna try to scrape some off just to see, will it come off or will it stay on. So you can see the paint is slightly chipping off from the sides. But what I think I might do now, I might just redo another coat and see how it looks. Hopefully by this Sunday it should be everything done. But I'm gonna be posting this video. I'm still trying to figure out what's wrong with that rim, that it's not taking off the paint like these two right here. Like, these two are good, but like the back one, it's kind of giving me a really bad hard time of me taking off the paint. And let's do these two real quick for you too short. So this should be the final product of today's video, and let me tell you guys, the next video, hopefully by then it will be fully chromed out, because I was not expecting it to take that long. I thought it was gonna be like a 1 or 2 day thing, but it turned out it's gonna be like a 4-day thing now, or 5-day thing, because the back two are giving me really bad pain right now. It's not working. I still gotta figure out. It is working a little bit on this one. I can see the paint is coming off, but the other one is giving me a hard time. So until I figure out what I can do to remove the black paint off that, we gotta wait, because you know, I can't rush it. I need it to look the best for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get alerted whenever I post the final product. And you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys have a good day.